Hey guys, it's Mr. Todd and my little friend Max. This is my cat. This is a cat that Ellie had. And I think you can see back right there, there's my cat Zuri. So we are inside today because today is a little bit of a colder day. And but I got a little bit sunburned over the weekend because I was outside, I think a couple days ago when it was really hot out and got a little bit of a sunburn. But yeah, no, now it's kind of cold out. So hope that you have really enjoyed the days that we have had that are really nice. Hope that you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about week 3 lessons. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you. And here on Google Classroom, right here, there's going to be a place where it's going to be just like this, where it says right here, it'll say week 3 lessons, and then today's date, and that will be sent out today. It's going to look like, it's going to look like this, and it's going to say, read all instructions before beginning. Make sure you do that, guys, because I've attached on Google Classroom, instructions, this video, outline, all of that. Remember, you can break this up into different days, like we suggested. Monday do this, Tuesday do that, or do it on different days, depending on, your schedule. Before you start, remember, scroll all the way down and look at these 5 questions. Read them first before you do the activities, so that you know what to look for while you're doing them. Now, on Monday, it's going to be the same thing, similar thing as last 2 weeks, where you click on this link. It's going to take you to this mystery science question, why do stars change with seasons? Okay, it'll be a 20-minute exploration I want you to watch, and then an optional hands-on activity you don't have to do unless you want to, but that is right here. Remember, coming down here, you can download the mystery. If you do not have internet at home or do not have complications with internet, you can download this mystery, leave it open in the tab, and then you can take it home and do it at home or do it offline, okay? Go back here. That is Monday. Tuesday is you have these, says today we have given you optional activities that you can do and then some required videos to watch. So you have 2 optional activities, okay? These 2 activities are optional. The first one is you're just going to see how the sun's position changes over weeks, marking the shadow. So it's similar to what we did in the activities before, but now you're doing it each day at the same time. You're going to go on the exact same time, mark a spot, and then, the next day, mark that spot. The next day, mark that spot, or see if that's the same spot. And then hopefully over a couple weeks, you'll see a difference in that and see how the world is changing. This one is just a picture a day. This is optional as well. You can go to this archive and see a picture. Look for Orion. That's a constellation you can look for. Just some cool photos that you might want to just look at if you want. Now, here are the required videos. I highlighted it in yellow, so you know these are required. You need to watch this video that's types of galaxies. You'll click on it. It'll take you to this YouTube video. And I want you to watch this video, okay? Kind of crazy. And then also this video I want you to watch. So open up another YouTube video.
Hey kids, are you in elementary school like us? Do you love science?
Well, it's an ad right now, but it's going to be another YouTube video that I want you to watch. It says Get to Know Your Galaxy, okay? So make sure you look at those 2 videos on Tuesday, April 14th. Wednesday is another mystery science thing, so you can open that up. And this lesson is what are wandering stars? Now remember, some of you might have done this in 5th grade. just watch the video. I still want you to watch it. It doesn't take long. It doesn't take long to watch a video, answer the questions. It's not hard. So remember, download the mystery if you need to, but watch this part, very important. This hands-on activity is optional, okay? I'm gonna go back here, and then right here, I just put this on the same page. Here's Wednesday. Here's Thursday. You have required videos that you need to watch, okay? So you have Study Jams, Inner Planets, Study Jams, Outer Planets. You have Solar System 101, and then a really cool video that's the scale model of the solar system. I'd really like you to watch those videos, and those are required. The optional links are right here. These are really cool because if you open them, you can actually see that you can see what your weight is on other planets. So you put in your weight right here, and it will tell you what your weight is on other planets. So I weigh 160. I'll hit calculate. And then I can tell that on the moon, I only weigh 26.5 pounds. But on Jupiter, I weigh 404 pounds. Man, I'm pretty fat. So anyways, that is a really cool website you can do. It's optional. There's also another one where you can see your age. It's a very similar thing. You just go in here, you hit your birthday, and then you see how many days you would be if you lived on that planet. There's kind of a fun little links that you can check out if you want. Friday, there's your questions. So make sure you go to Google Classroom form to answer those questions. So if you look here, like last week, I'll just show you what, remember last week. Last week was right here, week 2 assessment. You would open that up. It would give you your instructions, and you just click on that form, and it takes you to the form, and you take write down the answers to the questions. And that's really all you have for this week. There's really not, that's it. So, let's see if I can. All right, so I hope that you guys have fun while you're learning. I hope that you stay curious. If you are really getting into it and you want to know more, go to Google and ask Google questions. Look up more about the constellations. Look up more about the planets. Look up more about our solar system and all those kind of things. This week is kind of, stuff that you maybe heard about. Maybe you know already a little bit about this, but you're curious about something else. Go ahead and study that. Look into it. Google it. Research it. You guys can learn on your own as well. And so just know that if you need anything, you can email me or ask me any questions through email, and hopefully I can help you. And I do want to say, when you do email me, please make sure that you're writing it very specifically in complete sentences, what you're trying to say. Texting, sometimes when you text it, like acting like you're texting it, saying you with just the letter U instead of the whole writing it out, or misspelled words or incomplete sentences, it's really hard for me on the other side of the computer to try to figure out what you're asking. So if you're very clear and very specific and use complete sentences and correct spelling, I'll probably understand what your question is. I just want to give you that and let you know, like, I'll answer your questions. Just make sure that it's something I can read. I love you guys. I miss you guys. I hope you guys are having fun at home and just can't wait to see you guys and your faces next year. So love you guys. Bye.